Hey users, welcome back to another devlog of my indie game Neon Space. I know it's been a while and I'll tell you why. I've mostly been doing a lot of game jams and I've been getting pretty good views on my tutorials, so that's been going well. But in the process of all this, I've been forgetting about this game. There will be lots more devlogs and a Steam release. Also, I'm planning to release this game on this summer, and also the cost will be probably $12.99 maybe. So yeah. With my knowledge now, I will be able to create more things for this game. And I really hope you guys enjoy the new devlogs that I'm going to be releasing. Bye bye, users.